this episode, we're gonna head out to Abranded Life's car show. It's a tribute show for all of our loved ones that we've lost to COVID. So, you know, really want to go support. And yeah, so let's go head out to K1 Speedway in Ontario and maybe get a few laps in. So let's go, guys. Bad decision, make great stories.
That's how they say.
Never rolling stock. That is sick. I'm actually gonna rock this shirt. This is clean AF. Alright guys, we've made it to the show. Sally's all set up. Let's walk the show. Check out all these clean builds, and yeah, have a good time. See you guys. Tito, sir, what you drinking? What is that? What's in there?
Icy.
Icy?
Freeze cup.
Please.
Brandon. We're here at the Branded Car Show. We got the Battle Arrow kit. We got our lip, our duckbill. Come check us out, guys.
Alright guys, that's it for the Brandon Show. Shout out to the good vibes and shout out to everyone that we just met today. Yeah, it was a really great time. So that's going to be it for today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!